Hello everyone. My name is Ritu and I'm a language trainer here at Avigna Learning Academy, which is a premier online coaching institute. So what is this Avigna Learning Academy? How can Avigna Learning Academy help you? Let us have a look at that. Avigna Learning Academy coaches students for various English language certification exams like IELTS, TOEFL, OET and PTE. Anybody can take up the IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE exam, but the OET exam has to be taken by healthcare professionals. So, what are these English language certification exams? So, English language certification exams are those exams which you will have to take up if you want to go to another English speaking country for work purposes or for study purposes. So many students have approached our institute because they had not performed very well in their exam. This could be because they did not receive any training before they took up the exam, or because they did not receive the right kind of training before they took up the exam. So I'm very happy to announce that those who have approached us for help and training have scored very well in their tests. You would have also come across many friends of yours or maybe even your colleagues who are very shy to converse with others and they do not converse in English language. For that, Avigna Learning Academy has a solution for you. We offer English language enhancement programs like Business English, English Startup, English Fluency, and Speak English Confidently. These courses will help you and your friends improve your English language and communication skills. Avigna has been training students since 14 years and has trained students across the globe like India, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, UK, Sri Lanka, and even the Middle Eastern cities. Our students have passed their exams with flying colors and have now started working or studying in various companies and organizations abroad. We are also tied up with various study abroad consultancies to help our students with visa processing. So here, let us talk about our specialties. Now you'll find that training here at Avigna Learning Academy can be very exciting. And why is that so? That is because in Avigna Learning Academy, you will be mentored by very well experienced and certified English language trainers. Our face-to-face virtual training will help you interact with the trainers. Here at Avigna, we believe that each student is important and must get maximum attention during the training. That is why we follow the concept of one trainer per student. This will help the student get maximum attention from the trainer, and the trainer will also be able to assess all the shortcomings of the student and help them improve. So sometimes students come to us and say that they are good at one skill, but they like listening skill maybe, but they're not very good at writing or any other skill. So how can we go about that? What we do at Avigna Learning Academy is we customize the curriculum according to the students' needs and give them more practice and practice material so that they get the desired and the necessary help. Interactive sessions are also held constantly to build confidence and to assess the students. When it comes to flexible hours, we get many students who are working professionals like doctors, engineers, and nurses whose work shifts keep changing every week, every now and then. To accommodate this, we provide training at a time that is convenient to the student. We have so we have ample amount of practice material and mock tests that will help you get ready and be completely prepared and confident by the end of the training. So mock tests will also be provided and they will be conducted on a regular basis to evaluate your performance and to help you out. So let's get to the topic of today's webinar. So today we will be talking about TOEFL IBT. So what is TOEFL IBT? So the TOEFL, or the test of English as a foreign language, measures the ability of non-native speakers of English to use and understand the North American English as it is spoken, written, and heard in college and university settings. So this test is not a test of your technical knowledge or your general knowledge. This test only assesses your English language skills. So let us get some more information about the TOEFL exam. The TOEFL test is available in 4,500 test centers in over 165 countries. In a year, there are more than 50 test dates available for the students to take the test. There are two kinds of tests, that is the paper-based tests and the internet-based tests. The TOEFL IBT or the TOEFL internet-based test is more popular among students. When it comes to the results of the TOEFL test will be available in 6 business days, and this result will be valid for 2 years. The TOEFL test fee in India is 185 US dollars. So when it comes to scoring, you will be scored on a scale of 0 to 120. So who conducts this TOEFL test? This TOEFL test is developed and administered by the US based Educational Testing Service, or what we call as the ETS. This implies that the ETS sets the questions, it conducts the tests, and also sends each examinee the score report. Who recognizes the TOEFL test? The TOEFL test is accepted universally. There are more than 10,000 plus colleges, agencies, and other institutions in over 150 countries that accept TOEFL scores as of today. And every year, around 50 test dates are available across the globe for the students to take the test. Immigration departments use the TOEFL test scores to issue residential and work visas. Medical and licensing agencies use them for professional certification purposes. Individuals use them to measure their progress in learning English. What about the eligibility? Who is eligible to take up this TOEFL test? A pass in 10+2 level of any recognized Indian board or university is a suitable qualification to take up the TOEFL test. Okay, so now let us discuss the different types of TOEFL test. Like we already discussed, there are two types, that is the TOEFL IBT and the TOEFL PBT. The TOEFL IBT is the internet-based test and the TOEFL PBT is the paper-based test. So let us look at the differences between the two. So what is the difference between the TOEFL IBT and the difference in TOEFL PBT? So the TOEFL IBT or the internet-based test is given online through the internet, and the TOEFL PBT is administered via a paper and pencil format. In the TOEFL IBT, you will be measured on your writing, reading, speaking and listening skills, whereas in PBT, you will be measured for your listening, reading, writing and grammar skills. Speaking skills is not measured here. So it takes about 3 to 3.5 hours to complete the TOEFL IBT test, whereas it takes only 2.5 hours to complete the TOEFL PBT test. See, what we have to remember here is the TOEFL PBT is conducted only in areas where there is an issue with internet. So if your country has problems accessing the internet, only then you will be able to give the PBT test. Otherwise, most countries provide only the internet-based test. In India, there is no PBT test. There is only TOEFL IBT test. Okay, so now let us look at the TOEFL IBT test format. So the TOEFL IBT can be completed within 3 to 3.5 hours. So there are 4 sections in this test, that is reading, listening, speaking and writing section. So if you could get a very good training from our institute, your dream of relocating to another country can be fulfilled in a matter of just 3 to 3.5 hours in the form of this test. Okay, so you might also be thinking, what is so special about this TOEFL exam? You might wonder, it's just a 3 or 3.5 hour test. It is just like any other exam that you've taken during your college or university or maybe even your school. But you must remember, there's a lot of difference. In the TOEFL exam, you have to multitask at every level. During the listening test, you have to concentrate and note down every minute detail before the questions start appearing on your screen. In the reading test, you have to read like really lengthy passages and answer the questions, the multiple choice questions that follow. See, if you're a student or a professional, you would usually converse with your family or friends in your native language, you know. But to fulfill this dream of yours to go abroad, maybe to study or to work, you have to take up this exam which judges your English language proficiency. So you do not have to worry here. Avigna Learning Academy will help you achieve this dream of yours by providing you with lots of practice tests and mock tests to make sure that you score really well in your exams. Now let us look at each of these sections individually. So first one is the reading section. You will have around 54 to 72 minutes to finish your reading section. There are going to be 3 or 4 passages. So each passage will be followed by 10 questions. So now let us look at an example. So we have an example here. On the left hand side, you will see a small extract from a passage, and on the right hand side, you will see the question. Now what happens during the actual test is that the passages are really very long. Students read them, but they fail to comprehend. They fail to recognize the answers, and they fall short in skimming and scanning skills, and also in paraphrasing skills. So what we do here at Avigna Learning Academy is that we help our students learn all these strategies and these skills so that they give their best performance during the exam. So we'll move on to the next section, that is the listening section. So in the listening section, you will have about 41 to 57 minutes to complete the test. There will be around 3 to 4 lectures, which will be followed by 6 questions per lecture. And the next one is there will be around 2 to 3 conversations, which will be followed by 5 questions per conversation. So the audio during this test will be played only once. You cannot go back or you cannot rewind and listen to it again. While listening, you have to make a note of all the information and then attempt the questions that follow. You cannot go back and correct your answers once you have selected the answer. Let us look at an example. So here on the left hand side, you can see an example. It's the transcript of an audio clip that you are about to hear. Unfortunately, in the exam, you will not be given the transcript, or you will not be allowed to listen to the audio clip twice. On the right hand side is a question. This is just to help you understand the feeling and the accent of the language in the audio clip. Okay, so now let us listen to the audio clip.
Listen to a conversation between a student and a professor.
Excuse me, Professor Thompson. I know your office hours are tomorrow, but I was wondering if you had a few minutes free now to discuss something.
Sure, John. What did you want to talk about?
Well, I have some quick questions about how to write up the research project I did this semester about climate variations.
Oh, yes. You were looking at variations in climate in the Grand City area, right?
Okay, so now you can see the answer has been picked from the audio clip. Okay, so let us move on to the next section. Right, the next section is the speaking section. The speaking section is conducted for 17 minutes. There are 4 questions in the speaking section. They are divided into independent tasks and integrated tasks. So in the speaking section, you will have 1 independent task and 3 integrated tasks. So what is this independent task and integrated task? Independent tasks are direct questions, whereas integrated tasks, you will have to read a paragraph, listen to an audio clip, and then answer the questions that follow. Okay, so here at Avigna Learning Academy, we make sure that the student gets ample practice before the actual exam to be very confident. Most students are very nervous and anxious. So, but after these practice sessions and mock sessions that we provide, the student will be confident enough to take up the exam and give their best. So again, here we have a sample of the TOEFL speaking practice test that was performed here at Avigna Learning Academy. The student has now cleared the test with her desired score. Let's have a look at it.
Hello, I'm the language trainer here at Avigna Learning Academy. So today we have a student here with us who is going to be on the TOEFL exam next month. And so we will be practicing an independent task from the speaking section of the TOEFL exam. Okay, so I'll be reading out a question along with you. So you get 15 seconds to prepare, and then you get 45 seconds to speak about the topic. So I'll let you know when you have to start speaking. Okay. So the question goes like this. Some people enjoy taking risks and trying new things. Okay. Others are not adventurous, they are cautious and prefer to avoid danger. Which behavior do you think is better, and please explain why? Okay. So your preparation time starts now. Okay, so we will do this. In my opinion, one should take risks and try new things. I do not agree with the concept of being safe because if you have to improve your confidence, you need to explore the unexplored. Once you start exploring yourself, you might find a new you who's capable of much more than you actually think. And I understand that taking risk is not an easy task because people will judge and try to demotivate you for all the choices that you make. It's part of the process. And in such situations, what you have to do is you need only listen to your yourself, your gut feeling, and do what you feel is right. There is only one life and one shot. So to improve yourself, you need to do what scares you the most. Mistakes will happen, but don't regret it. It's always better than a what if. So that was a very good answer.
Okay, so that was about the speaking practice test. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, the next section is the writing section. This is the last section in the TOEFL exam. The writing section has to be completed within 15 minutes. You will be given two tasks again. One will be an integrated writing task and the other one will be the independent writing task. So in the integrated writing task, again, you will have to listen to an audio clip, read a small extract from a passage, and you will have to answer the given question. In the independent writing task, it is a straight up essay question where you will have to read the question and write an essay on it. Now, the writing section in the TOEFL exam is one of the most difficult sections to tackle. Most students find it difficult to achieve their desired score in this section. And why is that? Now, that is because even though the students speak very well, they commit a lot of errors while writing. They make grammatical mistakes, they have spelling errors, they don't use the right kind of vocabulary, they don't use the right punctuations while writing their essays, they write too much information or they give too less information, there is very less clarity in their answers. Sometimes they write their letters and their essays are very disorganized. So all this leads to getting less marks in your writing section. So here at Avigna Learning Academy, we help students improve their grammar and vocabulary using the material that we provide. So we help students write organized essays and letters and in all other areas that can help them excel. So the last part is the scoring. So how are your TOEFL tests scored? So the TOEFL IBT test is scored on a scale of 0 to 120 points. So there are 4 sections. Each of the 4 sections, that is your reading, listening, speaking and writing, receives a scaled score from 0 to 30. So these scale scores are added together to determine the total score. So recently, TOEFL has launched this new feature called the TOEFL IBT My Best Score. So what is this TOEFL IBT My Best Score? It is a combination of an applicant's best score for each test section from all of their valid TOEFL scores in the last 2 years. Let us have a look at how this works. So here we have a table. You can see that if you have taken 4 tests in the past 2 years, your highest score in each of these sections will be picked and it will be clubbed and your IBT My Best score will be given. So we can see that in the reading section, 29 is the highest score. Listening section, it is 27. In speaking section, it is 26 and writing section, it is 25. So these 4 scores are picked and your total score will be 107. Okay, so to achieve this, Avigna Learning Academy will be very happy and is always available to help you out. So for more information, what you can do is you can log on to www.avignalearning.com. You may also view our videos, our posts on our website or on Facebook. We are also available on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So if you have any queries or questions, you can contact us on this phone number or you can email to us at info@avignalearning.com. Please give a feedback on this session. Thank you and have a wonderful day.